In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome web page not available error. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to access a website, only to be met with an unresponsive browser. Fear not, because I'm here to guide you step by step to resolve this common issue. First, let's start with the basics. It's important to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. You should check if your Wi-Fi is active or if your internet cable is securely plugged in. Try loading a few different websites or pages to ensure there's no issue with your connection. Often, we overlook this basic step and wrongly assume it's a complex problem. Next, let's check the web address you've entered. Double-check to make sure you've typed the URL correctly. It's surprisingly easy to make a typo, and even one incorrect character can lead you to a dead page. So, take a moment to ensure every part of the address is accurate. If everything seems fine up to this point, but the issue persists, it might be time to restart your computer. Rebooting can often clear up temporary software glitches that might be affecting Chrome's performance. It's one of the simplest yet effective fixes you can try. Moving on, if the problem continues, it could be an issue with Chrome's stored data. This is where clearing your browser's cache can be a game changer. Over time, your browser stores a lot of data, and some of it might become corrupted or outdated, causing loading issues. Here's how you can clear the cache. Open up Chrome and look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Click on it, then navigate to More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up where you need to set the time range to All Time. Make sure to check the boxes next to cached images and files, and also cookies and other site data. Once you've done that, click on Clear Data. By clearing out your browser's cache and cookies, you're essentially giving Chrome a fresh start with the latest website content, and this often resolves the issue at hand. These troubleshooting steps usually take care of the problem, but if you're still seeing the error, there could be more complex culprits at play, such as extensions interfering with Chrome's connectivity or issues on the website's server side. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle that pesky web page not available error with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to leave a comment if you're still facing issues or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.